Hi, I'm Sherry Elson, certified elder law attorney with Anderson Elder Law, and this short video is to cover the job of being an executor. Being an executor is a job, and that does come as a surprise to a lot of people who might not understand the estate administration process. We tell all of our clients here at the outset of an estate administration that it's a marathon, not a sprint, and it usually takes anywhere between 12 to 18 months. Therefore, the executor has a long road ahead of him or her. The job of the executor first begins with identifying the assets and the liabilities of the estate. You always want to make sure as an executor that your estate is solvent. You don't want to end up administering an estate that has nothing but creditors. Once you've determined that, the executor marshals the assets of the estate, which is just a fancy way of saying you identify all the assets that the person who passed away owned, you determine whether they're probate or non-probate assets, and then you gather all of the probate assets into an account in the name of the estate of the deceased person. The most important thing to consider when you undertake your job as executor is that you need to pay any debts, expenses, and taxes before anybody gets any property. That usually comes as a surprise or bad news to folks who want to get their money right away out of the estate. Therefore, the executor has a really important job to do to make sure all of those liabilities are satisfied before making distribution, because an executor could be held liable personally if the distribution is made and there are creditors that need to be paid. If you have any questions about what it means to be an executor, you can always consult with an estate administration attorney who can guide you through all aspects of the process and help you from where you begin, which is to probate the will, to handling the debts, taxes, and expenses, including inheritance tax, final income tax returns, fiduciary income tax returns, and sometimes the federal estate tax return if the estate is large enough. In short, there are a lot of things that an executor needs to do, and it can be a very complicated and serious job. If you would like to hear more information about what to do as an executor, we invite you to contact the law firm to schedule an appointment to speak with us before you set forth to probate the will.